Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Wasn't planning on doing a HCMC stock update for a couple of days. However, news has dropped, so of course I have to pass that on to you guys, my avid and fantastic subscriber base. So I'm going to quickly get into that, fire out this video as quick as we possibly can, get you guys up to date, and then I'll probably release another video later today maybe. If that sounds like something you're interested in, please smash that like button, consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in there. Hey guys, welcome into the video. So here we are on the landing page for HCMC. Share price is pretty much unchanged at 0.0011 and has barcoded for the last 5 days. That is expected at the moment. Despite some pretty significant volume, the share price has remained resolute around the region that we are talking about here. Market cap 340 million. So the update that I'm bringing you today, guys, is about the court case. There's a joint motion to stay pending resolution of the defendant's motion to dismiss by Healthier Choices Management Corp, Moss and Cillian, and the their lawyers, Cozen O'Connor. That was the first update since the month, and the first update since the 22nd of March. And we can actually have a quick look at the opening side of the document here. Jury trial demanded. They respectfully want to move the case until the court resolves the issues raised in the defendant's pending motion to dismiss. So this is buying extra time for Philip Morris to essentially sort its expletive out. Basically, I'm not going to swear because I don't want that on my channel, but it's just giving them extra time, and the date actually remains to be the same. April the 16th is when we expect a response, so that is the key date that we're still working to. This is a bit of a mini update, but it's not anything major news wise, to be fair. We just sit there waiting for this to go. It's been collectively signed off on, essentially posted by HCMC, and we're just going to await further details. Essentially, the key date for the diaries is still the 16th of April, guys. Do make note of that. This news has dropped. I made a promise to you guys, so I want to fulfill that promise. Any news always gets put out on this channel, despite it already dropping a couple of hours ago. Now, there's a few people asking why aren't there any more posts about HCMC on Reddit, and that is true. Obviously, the last update that we saw was the 22nd of March, and then this is only a very small update on the 1st of April. There hasn't been any major changes in the court case, and people are getting a little bit impatient, and that's nothing to worry about, guys. We've got the dates that we're actually working towards. Lawsuits, court cases do take a long time, so you're going to have to be patient. There is other news around this stock in terms of the management team foregoing some of their shares that would have been vested, relaunching of vitamin products, all of that side of things that will help the share price over the long term and help boost revenue and income. But the court case is the major thing that everybody is watching. Some people are getting a little bit impatient. All you have to do is just sit back and wait on this one. I know there is so much angst and so many people want updates all the time, but sometimes, guys, there is literally just nothing to say. You've just got to chill out, sit on your hands and just wait for a little bit. So 16th of April is the big date. Mark it down, watch this space, and of course I'll bring you any news releases and any further updates in between now and then. Short and sweet update today, guys. I'm sure most of you will already be aware of this, but I just wanted to give my little opinion on it as well, because I know that some people value that. Wasn't even expecting to have to do a video on HCMC today, but here we go, I'm there, I've managed to get it out, and I'll probably release another video that I was actually intending to release later on. Thank you very much for watching. Please do consider smashing the like button and subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in another investing episode. Catch you later.